a comprehensive guide to mastering Impreza in WordPress. Introduction. Greetings, WordPress enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the realm of Impreza, a dynamic and robust WordPress theme that's causing ripples in the digital landscape. Whether you're a seasoned web wizard or a beginner venturing into the online realm, join us as we explore how Impreza can bring your website dreams to life. 1. Unveiling Impreza beyond a theme. Impreza transcends the ordinary. It's a paradigm shift for your WordPress site. In this section, delve into the distinct qualities that set Impreza apart in the crowded theme market. Discover how it seamlessly combines flexibility, style, and functionality to elevate your website. 2. Installation made easy. A guide for all, no need for coding prowess. Learn the art of installing and setting up Impreza effortlessly on your WordPress site. This step-by-step guide ensures that even beginners can navigate the process with ease, laying the foundation for an exciting digital journey. 3. Crafting visual excellence with Impreza. Ready to transform your website into a visual masterpiece? Explore the enchanting world of Impreza's drag-and-drop builder, where creating captivating layouts becomes as simple as playing with building blocks. Unleash your creativity and bring your design visions to life. 4. Infinite design possibilities. Tailor your experience. Impreza refuses to be confined to a one-size-fits-all approach. Dive deep into its expansive customization options, opening doors to a world of design possibilities. From choosing colors and fonts to customizing headers and footers, discover how Impreza empowers you to shape your site's unique identity. 5. Enhancing user-friendliness. A seamless journey. User experience takes center stage. Learn how Impreza enhances the overall usability of your site, ensuring that visitors enjoy a seamless and delightful journey. From intuitive navigation to responsiveness, uncover the features that make your site genuinely user-friendly. 6. Turbocharging performance. Speeding to success. A sluggish site is a roadblock to success. Explore how Impreza contributes to a lightning-fast and optimized website. Gain insights into performance tweaks that ensure your site loads swiftly, providing visitors with an exceptional browsing experience. 7. Impreza and SEO. A symbiotic relationship. A beautiful site is only valuable if it's discoverable. Investigate how Impreza seamlessly integrates with search engines, forming a dynamic duo that enhances your site's visibility. Receive practical SEO tips to elevate your website's standing in the digital landscape. 8. Support and community. Your pillars of strength. Feeling stuck as part of the journey. Uncover the robust support channels and vibrant community surrounding Impreza. From forums to comprehensive documentation, help is just a click away. Learn how to leverage these resources and evolve into a seasoned Impreza pro. Conclusion. Elevate your WordPress journey with Impreza. As we conclude our exploration, grasp the realization that Impreza is more than a theme. It's your steadfast companion on the road to success. Whether you're a blogger, business owner, or aspiring web designer, Impreza is poised to make your online adventure thrilling and rewarding. Ready to unleash the full potential of Impreza? Let's dive in together and transform your WordPress experience. Thank you